What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. We are here at CS Motorsport and we are doing a little bit of work on Cademan's car today. We have a valved exhaust. The company's actually named Valve, but they make an E46 M3 exhaust for his car. You didn't know Cademan has a super clean silver E46 M3. We're gonna install that today, and then we also have a nice little carbon fiber lip from Souvenir, and then he will also be doing some Fortune Auto coilovers. Not sure how much of that we will see, but we'll make a future video showing you guys what it looks like. The valves are controlled by vacuum lines, so it's a pretty easy setup, but we're going to show you guys how to install it and give you guys some sound clips. Should be good. Let's get into it. All right, so if you guys didn't know, this is Cademan's beautiful E46 M3 in silver. This thing's super, super clean. He's done a little bit of work to it so far, but here are the products that we are putting on today. So we've got the valved exhaust. This thing looks really freaking clean. Nice looking welds and a pretty basic setup, which is really all you need for this car. One with the polished tips, looks really good. They've got their logo right there on the tips. And here's the vacuum box to control the actual valves. Here are the lines. We're gonna hardwire the electronics, so this will probably get cut off. And then here are the two remotes. The whole thing is just wireless, so you can just go ahead and control it like that. A couple of fittings, and yeah, we're gonna see how it sounds. I'm excited to hear how it sounds. So he's got a modified mid pipe, but he's also running headers, so it's gonna sound probably pretty loud. And this is a CSL style carbon fiber front lip from Souvenir. We're gonna have all this stuff linked down below. He's also gonna be doing the coilovers, but we won't be here for that. We'll probably have to show you guys that in a future video. Those look really nice though. So here's the car. He's sitting on some silver EC7s. Looks super freaking clean, man. He had some parts just recently repainted on this car, but man, it looks immaculate. He's done the subframe work, he's done the rod bearings, he's done pretty much the big three that you need to do to this car. And it is, man, it's mint. It's ready to go. I think it looks really nice. I also really like the silver on silver. I think it's a really clean setup for this car. So currently he's got the active muffler on here, and then there's a couple of different companies that make the midsection and front section, right? It's like a hodgepodge of shit.
Yeah, this is Super Sprint, this is eBay.
Super Sprint, eBay. This thing is like a fucking, and the Megan headers.
I got it all from Hindle on sale. Headers are free, these were $100, these are...
Hey, you gotta do what you gotta do, man. It's gonna look nice though. I think it'll look really good. And then we'll mount up the lip right here. Dude, your bumper's fucking seen some better days, bro. This thing's wicked. We'll mount that up. Probably some screws and some tape. But yeah, be good.
I mean, honestly, if we could find me a bumper that looks...
All right, so we have the other muffler off, and we're gonna go ahead and install the valved one, but first we're just gonna run the vacuum lines. So this is the actual line right here, and it's gonna go directly into this box. So mounting it somewhere back here, which I think is similar to how we did it in my Supra, but he's gonna mount it somewhere back here in this corner, and then we'll run the vacuum line down underneath, and probably gonna come out through here on the other side of this little heat shielding. And then once we get that ran, we can go ahead and throw in the actual muffler and hook everything up. But it probably makes more sense to just do this first, so you don't have to try and do it later with a big muffler in the way. CD player and DVD player, and they work.
I don't know if that's a good or bad thing.
Hold on, let me throw in my DVD real quick. Like, that's so funny to me. Yeah. Yo.
Which one do you want to listen to?
Dude, look, man, I grew up in these days. That's crazy. And they still work. Maybe. Yeah, we're gonna pull that stuff out at some point. All right, so he's gonna actually mount the vacuum box right here. We took out the CD player, so good little spot for it right here. It's perfect. It's like it was made for it. Boom. Feeding down there. Looks good. So put a little bit of foam under here. some 3M, and then big old zip tie. And she ain't going nowhere. She's solid right in there. It's a perfect spot for it. Should have that thing up there by 2030. Oh man, I'd love to help you, but I gotta film. All right, so we just got the muffler mounted up. He's tightening everything down right now. Set the tips in place where he likes them, which is nice. These are adjustable, so we did a little bit of an offset on them. So the sides are a little bit further in and it comes out kind of with the curvature of the diffuser. Looks really good though. Everything fits nice, mounts up perfectly, very easy install. Uses all the factory hangers and locations. Got the vacuum line here, which will pop right onto that guy right there. So we'll cut the slack off. But yeah, it looks really good. Vacuum line officially in.
Let's wire this bad bitch up.
Let's wire this bad bitch up. So that's where you plug the other part of that wire in, and then cut that part off, unless of course you're putting it into a 12 volt, which we are not doing. So we're just gonna hardwire it. Yeah, so it's gonna have a source of power and a ground. So we'll ground it on the frame or ground it on that little bolt right there. Clean it off, get a nice contact. Found a ground, found a power. So closed?
Closed.
Open. Sweet. So I guess we can hear this thing, yeah? Close it. Something stock. That's loud, dude. Loud. Sir. All right, so that part is complete. Sounds really good. Super loud, but it sounds great. Fits great. Super easy product to install. Shouldn't take you more than like an hour if you have all the tools and a lift and everything. So yeah, we will have that link down below for you guys. It sounds freaking awesome. Looks really nice too. Really, really nice. They also give you 2 remotes, which is kind of nice too, so in case you lose one, you have an extra one. We're gonna throw on this CSL lip from Souvenir. His bumper is a little bit deformed, so I'm gonna have some fun trying to put it on, but we'll make it work. We'll make it work. It's got a little bulging under here. So we're just gonna clean it off, do double-sided tape, and then throw some self-taps in it. Yeah, the bumper definitely is not making it any easy. Only problem is you'll run into like a little gap right here. I can hold up with you. Centered. Yeah, it seems about more. That's not that bad.
Press really hard.
Yeah, I'll just have to press it in pretty good.
I'm gonna drill a hole right here.
It does fit. It looks nice though. Look cool. All right, so we got some little marks here that he's marking up, but he's gonna send some pilot holes through here, and then probably do nut and bolt on them, or self tappers with some 3M, so we can mount it up. Oh yeah.
I think that should work.
She'll go through.
Just like the wood.
Yeah. Money. All right, he's got 4 nuts and bolts in it. And then what, 3 or 4 self-tappers? 2 self-tappers and a bunch of 3M. Looks pretty good. It's not bad. Working with a highly deformed bumper here, so. But it looks pretty good. Gets the point across. I like it a lot. All right, guys, so I'm gonna have all that stuff linked down below. The valved exhaust system, which is actually super nice for this car, very easy to install. I think it sounds really good too. S54 sounds like an S54. It's a little bit raspy, but it's got that nice NA tone to it. And then also the Souvenir carbon fiber front lip, if you're looking for a good carbon fiber lip for your BMW. They got plenty of other products as well, but both of those products will be linked down below. Big shout out to Cademan CES Motorsports for making it happen today. See you guys in the next one. Peace.